Imagine stepping into a home where every detail has been meticulously designed not just to impress, but to enhance life itself. The most luxurious homes of 2026 no longer rely solely on sheer size, opulence, or traditional displays of wealth. They have evolved into personal sanctuaries, where comfort, technology, sustainability, and artistry converge to create an unparalleled lifestyle experience. Walking through these residences feels less like entering a house and more like stepping into a world built exclusively for its owner's mind, body, and soul. Luxury in 2026 is subtle, deliberate, and highly personalized. It is not about showing off but about living optimally. Every element from the architecture to the lighting, the furniture to the air quality exists to serve the resident rather than dazzle visitors. This home is not a trophy. It is an ecosystem, a place where technology, design, and personal vision intersect to form a living masterpiece. Architectural brilliance meets functional art. The exterior of the most luxurious home in 2026 is architectural poetry. Clean lines meet organic curves. Glass walls stretch seamlessly from floor to ceiling, offering panoramic views of oceans, mountains, or cityscapes. Facades are often made of smart material self-cleaning surfaces, solar-integrated glass, and temperature-regulating stone that combine beauty with cutting-edge functionality. Entryways are designed to create an immediate sense of calm and security. Gated approaches, biometric locks, and sensor-driven access systems ensure privacy without feeling intrusive. Upon arrival, a soft glow illuminates landscaped gardens, water features, and pathways designed for both aesthetic appeal and subconscious psychological comfort. Even before entering, the home signals intention, control, and serenity. Inside, the layout is deliberately fluid yet functional. Traditional walls are replaced with adaptable partitions, sliding panels, or open-air corridors. Spaces are designed to flow with human movement and energy, guiding residents effortlessly from one area to another. Every room is intentionally placed to maximize views, light, and utility. Unlike conventional homes, this residence anticipates the needs of its occupants before they even arrive in the room. Technology that disappears. The heart of a 2026 luxury home is its invisible intelligence. Advanced artificial intelligence and automation create an environment that responds intuitively to the resident. Climate systems adjust automatically based on body temperature, weather, and circadian rhythms. Lighting changes subtly throughout the day to promote focus, energy, or relaxation. Sound systems analyze ambient noise and deliver the perfect balance of silence or music. Even scents are managed, with diffusers releasing custom aromas tailored to mood, season, or occasion. Smart surfaces replace traditional touchscreens. A single glance can activate controls, while voice commands manage everything from kitchen appliances to security cameras. Artificial intelligence anticipates needs, a subtle alert reminds you to hydrate, a virtual assistant preps your home theater for a late-night movie, or your wardrobe is suggested based on the day's schedule, weather, and upcoming meetings. Here, technology doesn't interrupt life, it enhances it invisibly. The ultimate wellness sanctuary. Health is the cornerstone of 2026 luxury. A home of this caliber is not just a residence, it is a wellness ecosystem. Gyms are no longer sterile rooms with equipment. They are immersive studios with VR-integrated training, AI personal coaches, and biofeedback systems that monitor heart rate, posture, and performance. Recovery zones include cryotherapy chambers, infrared saunas, hydrotherapy pools, and float tanks designed to optimize physical and mental recovery. Bedrooms and living areas are meticulously designed for sleep optimization. Smart beds adjust firmness and temperature, while circadian lighting and air quality systems ensure restorative rest. Meditation zones and quiet spaces are integrated seamlessly into the home, offering refuge from the demands of the outside world. Nutrition is also a priority. Kitchens are stocked with automated meal prep systems, molecular gastronomy devices, and climate-controlled pantries that ensure freshness, quality, and personalization. Spaces designed for experience. The most luxurious homes of 2026 redefine entertainment. The home theater is no longer just a room with plush seats and a large screen, it is a fully immersive cinematic experience. Holographic displays, augmented reality, and customizable acoustics allow residents to watch films or host interactive screenings with friends anywhere in the world. Music rooms adapt acoustically to instruments, performances, or practice sessions, delivering concert-quality sound in the privacy of your home. Dining and social spaces are curated for experience rather than status. Private chefs can prepare meals in kitchens equipped with AI-driven cooking systems, while dining areas are configured to accommodate both intimate gatherings and large-scale entertaining without sacrificing comfort or flow. Outdoor terraces and infinity pools extend living into nature, blending the indoors with panoramic views and natural landscapes. Art is also integrated seamlessly. Walls serve as dynamic galleries, capable of rotating exhibits digitally or physically. Rare collections are displayed with precision, ensuring preservation while creating an emotional and visual impact. Every object, painting, or sculpture is chosen not for prestige, but for resonance and meaning. Sustainability as prestige. In 2026, sustainability is no longer optional, it is a status symbol. True luxury aligns with environmental intelligence. Homes are equipped with solar energy, geothermal heating, rainwater harvesting, and zero wastewater recycling systems. Materials are locally sourced or sustainably produced, combining aesthetics with responsibility. Indoor air quality is continuously monitored, while integrated green spaces and vertical gardens create natural purification and visual serenity. Bedrooms as personal retreats. Bedrooms in the 2026 luxury home are sanctuaries, not just places to sleep. Each room is acoustically and thermally optimized, with views that connect the resident to nature or cityscapes. Smart lighting transitions through the day to support circadian rhythms. Beds adjust for body temperature, weight distribution, and sleep stages. Integrated wellness systems track sleep, heart rate, and stress levels, offering insights and adjustments in real time. Walk-in closets are high-tech. Clothes are organized algorithmically based on upcoming events, weather, and mood. AI assistants suggest outfits, while integrated scent, lighting, and ambient music create a holistic dressing experience. Even small tasks are automated to preserve energy and maximize personal efficiency. Private entertainment and leisure. Entertainment in the home extends far beyond conventional norms. Private art studios, VR sports arenas, rooftop golf simulators, and fully equipped music studios allow residents to pursue passions without leaving home. Indoor pools, spa facilities, and meditation domes offer wellness in private luxury. For social interaction, multifunctional spaces can transform at a moment's notice. A lounge can convert into a gallery, a dining hall, or a virtual reality meeting room. Flexibility is key. The home adapts to moods, seasons, and priorities seamlessly, allowing residents to live dynamically while maintaining the calm and sophistication expected in elite luxury living. Security that feels invisible. Even in the most open and inviting spaces, security is imperceptible but absolute. Biometric access, AI-monitored cameras, automated lockdowns, and discreet security personnel ensure safety without disrupting lifestyle. Privacy is not just a feature, it is a foundation. Residents live free from intrusion while enjoying absolute confidence in their surroundings. The integration of security into design is seamless. Panic rooms, safe corridors, and monitored escape routes exist as invisible layers, while day-to-day movement feels natural, unimpeded, and elegant. True luxury is not just about comfort, it is about freedom and peace of mind. The art of customization. The ultimate 2026 home is fully personalized to the resident. No two homes are alike. Even elements like lighting color, wall textures, and furniture ergonomics are adapted to personal preference. The AI-driven home learns habits, preferences, and routines over time, making the environment increasingly intuitive and responsive. This degree of customization extends to intangible experiences as well. Music playlists adapt to mood. Art displays rotate based on the time of day. Aromas, temperature, and lighting adjust automatically to enhance productivity, creativity, or relaxation. The home becomes a living extension of the resident's mind and lifestyle, blending technology, design, and intuition. The future of luxury living. The most luxurious homes of 2026 are not simply symbols of wealth, they are manifestations of a lifestyle philosophy. They reflect control over time, energy, environment, and personal fulfillment. They demonstrate that luxury is no longer about showy possessions, but about living deliberately, intentionally, and fully. These residences embody a new standard: effortless beauty, invisible technology, integrated wellness, and holistic living. The gold standard of modern living has arrived. It is intelligent, personal, and transformative, setting a new benchmark for what it truly means to live in luxury. If this vision of luxury inspired you, start designing your life the same way, with intention, control, and purpose. Luxury is not just a place. It is how you live.